This is Audible.
Audible Originals presents Resort. Written by Ollie Isaac. Directed by Julia Head. Featuring Fia Saban, Daryl McCormack, Charlotte Ritchie, Firdoz Bamji, Brandon Basir, and Rahad Shah. With Joseph Balderrama and Nora Lopez Holden.
Sammy, last night was so fun. I should have maybe said, I have a girlfriend. We're kind of open, yeah, but you can get paranoid. I mean, not paranoid as such, but like,
Emily, it's me. I haven't heard from you in a few weeks. Just checking in on you. Are you okay? Call me back when you get this.
Clara, it's Frank from Southwark Support Group Services. There's been a complaint about you consistently missing meetings.
Rachel, it's Siobhan. You can't keep doing this.
Please give me a call.
Nina? Miss Jensen, still being stood up, am I?
Beth, hello. Beth, I know that you're there. Can you just speak to me? Just say something. I miss you.
Chapter 1. Tilda. The chair is too soft. I feel like I'm sinking, not sitting, my spine folding into the cushion. How many people have cried in this chair? I stare at the fruit basket on the desk and remember reading in the pamphlet that they use an apricot shampoo to wash the bodies. Next to the basket is a photo. The funeral director's family, I guess. Two young girls wrestle for attention beneath their parents' smiles. It's always a photo like that. Something that says, we're human. We care. You're in safe hands. There's a tissue box. A lamp with no switch. A fake plant. All of it carefully placed, like someone Googled sad but tasteful. I cross my legs, uncross them. I tried to remember what emotion looks like when it's still. Not a scream or a sob. Just the waiting kind. Today, I decided to be Tilda. I try to wear what you should wear to a job like this. That job being, Tilda's father is dead and she's here to make arrangements. A complicated history, a long estrangement. One of those families where silence does the heavy lifting. And now she's here. Dutiful. Brave.